Hello, math students. Welcome back to Module 3, Rational Numbers. This is Lesson 8, and it is called The Relationship Between Absolute Value and Order. The relationship between absolute value and order. Our goal for today we will be practicing putting rational numbers in order according to their absolute values. The thing I want you to be thinking about during this lesson is, what have you noticed about the order of numbers and their absolute value order? All right, so we've been working on absolute value. Just a quick reminder, absolute value are those straight brackets that tell you what is the distance from any number inside the brackets from 0. And then order means putting them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least, depending on what it asks. So things to know. We're going to check this out first. It says, check these out. -7, -15, -1, -11, 4, 19, 9, and 17. Put these rational numbers in order from least to greatest. So in order to do that, one of the things that we've been working on using is a number line. So I'm going to go ahead and draw our number line. And I'm going to put 0 right here. And then I have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, oops, I have to keep going, sorry, -10, -11, -12, and we fell off the page, so now we're going to go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I can keep going over here, 11, 12, 13, and I fell off again. All right, so now we're just going to use our knowledge of numbers, and we're going to figure out how to put the rational numbers listed above in least to greatest. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dot for whatever I can fit. So -7 is here. -15 is off the page, so I'll leave that one off. -1 is here. -11 is here. And then I have 4 here. And then I have 19 off the page. And then I have 9 here. And then I have 17 off the page. So in order to put the rational numbers in order from least to greatest, the one that's off the page over here is -15. So we're going to say it goes -15, then it goes -11, and then it goes -7, and then it goes -1, and then it goes 4, and then it goes 9, and then it goes 17, and then it goes 19. And that should be all of the rational numbers from above in least to greatest order. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're all accounted for, so we did what it asked. Okay, so now the next thing it says is, now, that's supposed to say now, not, sorry, let me change that. Now, take the absolute value of each of the rational numbers. Okay, so I'm going to take the absolute value of -15. I'm going to take the absolute value of -11. I'm going to take the absolute value of -7. I'm going to take the absolute value, if I have a pen that works, sorry. Then I'm going to take the absolute value of -1. Then I'm going to take the absolute value of 4. Then I'm going to take the absolute value of 9. Then I'm going to take the absolute value of 17, and then I'm going to take the absolute value of 19. Okay, so remembering the absolute value means the number of hops from 0. So I know if I start on 0 and count down to -15, I'm going to go 15 hops. If I start at 0 and count down to 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 hops. To -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hops. From -1, from 0, 1, there we go, to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, and from 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 19 hops also. So now I found the absolute value of each of the rational numbers from above. And then next it says, put the absolute values in order from least to greatest. Okay, absolute values in order from least to greatest. So this time, I'm going to put 0 clear down here because look, none of them are negative. So the first number I have is 1, so I'm going to put a dot, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 will go. Okay, so now I have to put a dot on 15, which is here, a dot on 11, which is here, a dot on 7, which is here, a dot on 1, which I already did, a dot on 4, a dot on 9, a dot on 17, and a dot on 19. Okay, now put them in order from least to greatest. So from least to greatest on this one, it would go 1, 4, 7, 9, 11, and I'm getting them just by looking at my dots, 15, 17, and 19. There should be 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're all there. Okay, so I put them in order from least to greatest, and now it says, what do you notice about the order of the rational numbers and their absolute values? So let's compare them. So up above, we had negative 15, negative 11, negative 7, negative 1, 4, 9, 17, and 19. And then the absolute values of them, we had 1, 4, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17, and 19. And then it says, what do you notice about the orders of the rational numbers? Well, if you look at them, they're not the same at all. Okay, this one is showing the values that are less than 0. These are showing the values that are greater than 0. And all of these are all greater than 0 because absolute value is a positive distance. So it's always going to be greater than 0 because you're talking about how far away you are from 0. Okay, so that's kind of interesting to figure out how you would order numbers according to their absolute value. Okay, and so that's all I have for you in this lesson. Let's go back up to our goal for today. Today we will practice putting rational numbers in order according to the absolute values. So we did that. What have you noticed about the order of numbers and their absolute value order? They're not the same at all. Okay, it depends on the value of the number. If the value is greater than 0, then there is some similarities right here. But if the numbers are less than 0, then they are completely different. And you see that with what we practiced. Okay, kiddos, that's all I have for you in this lesson today. Talk to you soon. Bye.